exchange rates, and you'll get 24/7 English-speaking support. Read hundreds of thousands of positive Trustpilot reviews and join millions sending money abroad with Wise. Download the Wise app today.
Sir.
Hello, Stephanie.
Come they bring money for burial. Come they tell my children say you love me. As I day I life like this, so Papa show me the way, show me the way, show me some love. Not be say if I don't go, make you come they pay my children's school fees. Destiny delay.
You can join me on TikTok. I'm on TikTok live. Join me on TikTok.
Just like 10 plus 1 are 10, 8 plus 2 are 10, so is 6 plus 4. Every day we day. On my own one
like
talk
this.
about the cutting for shoe, you know.
I'm on TikTok live and I'm on Facebook with Sarah Coco.
Some of them they
Sarah
use
Coco,
guns
so
talk
let me
about.
go and share.
Nothing new under the sun. You know fit help everybody, but you can help some talk about.
Alright, please share this video. Let me share it first before we start. Live. Let me share. Hold on. I'm going to lower the sound. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Invite your friends, invite your family, invite everybody. Let's have a talk one-on-one. Thank you. You're fine too. Probably not the finish. Which kind of alarm is this? You guys don't know what I just saw. Everybody with you. Everybody carry their cross. All right. So we don't have to waste time because people will go to work tomorrow, and we are already, local time is 8:30. So let's get started because there's no time. I love you, Sonia Sassi. Thank you. So if you see the heading of this, what's that? Oh, somebody gifted me. I hear laugh for TikTok. I'm sorry, I am not going to be reading comments. So please, pardon me. Great love. I am not going to be reading comments. So anything you write, don't bother. Because I am not going to wash you now. I'm not going to read now. I will read later and I will block whosoever I want to block and delete any comments I want to delete. But for now, I am not reading. I might look maybe once in a while if there's anything I need to answer. So we have 3 topics. We have 3 topics. As they see Monica name, they're going wrong. We have 3 topics. So we are going to be doing it one by one. So before I start, I want to first and foremost apologize to everybody who have called me concerning this issue. And I am not going to be using English. I'm sorry. By the time I start, I am going to switch to my dialect because this is a very crucial issue concerning my people. So please, my beautiful fans, that is not a Benin person. I want you to understand and pardon me. I will not be using English. Okay? I am going to be using Benin. So my first can't understand the language. Oh my God. Saga Moslolekia over Sabi. Anything you call me, my darling, I'm good with it. No problem. So some are begging me to use the English, but there are some things I'm going to be saying anyway. I will not use English to say it. So let's go. Then we have 3 topics there. And now like Saga die. 800 or something going to 1,000. Assuming I'm saying very tangible thing here now, people will not come. People will not encourage. So you guys are the people that is encouraging Saga in Edo cyberspace. You viewers, you are the people encouraging this whole thing because it's like we all now find relief. You find peace in hearing people insulting other people. I believe that is what is giving you guys peace of mind now because so many people these days, they are going through a lot. I understand. But let me tell you, instead of encouraging things like this, like encouraging people to be insulting other people, why not go and do something? Go and do something that will make you happy. Because this one is going to make you more depressed. Okay, so that's for that. So we have 900 and something. Let's go there. Now, this issue on ground. The issue on ground that has been going on for the past 2 weeks, if I am not mistaken. To be very, very sincere, I never wanted to talk. Edo where era no momo I feel lugbeyi I am a boko yi. Okay? Yeah, but sabi is a name here. Era no momo I am a tinyi. I am a boko yi. Era no momo I feel lugbeyi. So that is why I can boastfully say that I am one of the most popular Edo musician now. I don't know about tomorrow because they said the beautiful ones are not yet born. I believe that the people we are training now, the people, our apprentices that we are training, we are not training them to go and sell tomatoes or to go to the farm. We are training them to come and use this same work to eat, to make it in life. So there's a tendency that those people that are coming, they are going to make name. They are going to be bigger. So what are we not saying? So that is why I say for now. Because beneath the use and the make parable say, Imaneru no more masema. Timaneru no more masema. So anybody who will teach and work, it's a prideful something that the person will be bigger than you. You go the use and the knack chest and me teach and work. Okay? So, but for now, I will categorically say that Lady of Song is one of the biggest musicians in Edo State. So that is why they say to whom much is given, much is expected. Okay? So that is why I know the reason people are expecting me to talk. I know people are expecting me to talk. This issue has been going on, and I told myself, oh, Sagoli Foundation, thank you, Mama, you're welcome. I said, I'm not going to talk on this issue. Thank you, Toby John. I said, I am not going to talk on this issue. And many people, my fans, my lovers, have been calling me, say, please, don't talk on this issue. Allow them to talk. When they are tired, they go. You see, I know they are looking for your own, but don't talk. I said, but I am not watching them. That's the truth. I'm not watching. Sometimes my husband will tell me, this is what I watch. Sometimes my sister will call me, this is what I watch. They're the one that even make me to know that something is going on. I am not watching. I don't see them. I have blocked, in fact, thousands of bloggers, thousands of presenters. I have blocked so many, both national, all those people for Lagos. If I just say, even though it's not my matter, they talk. As far as you are a negative blogger, I will just block you. I will just block you. I have blocked so many presenters and bloggers, you know. So I am in another place when it comes to social media. I am in another space. I don't see what is going on. So the people around me are the people that would come and tell me, oh, look at what they are doing. My brother, my junior brother, he called me, look at what is going on. My sister called me, even my husband, look at what is going on. I said, yeah, I don't see them more. I know they see them again. The people that I love are the people that I am watching. The people that are positive. This one again. The people that are positive, they are the people that I watch. You know why? I need positive energy. I want to be seeing people that will inspire me. You know, people that I will learn from. That is what I watch. So, when the issue started, they are looking for, they send me a lot of links. So I will click it, will not enter. I was okay, I've blocked this one. That is why it's not entering. So I'll just forget about it. But it now got to a point which is this morning I watched Lady Monica live video. I think it's this afternoon. Yeah, I watched it and I was surprised. I said, okay, let me come out and talk. Since it's like, you people are expecting me to talk. Una need this town. Una go to make money. Una need this town. Una want blog. If this town not join, it not go work. If this town not there, it not they work. So okay, let me come out and just air one or two things about this whole matter. And let me ban this person first. So first and foremost, I want to talk about my co-musicians. Everything about this Europe tour stuff. You know, I told you guys that it is 3 topics in one. I don't want to come out another day to talk about this topic. I want to say it now, once and for all. So that is why it is 3 in 1. If not, I would have said, okay, let me do 1. Tomorrow I do 1. No, I don't have that time. I don't have it. So let me do everything together. Then the musician's issue. When I heard about this matter that they are saying Europe tour must stop and all that, I was laughing. The reason I was laughing is this. If you, as an artist, you did make I use Benin for this one. When a musician, una ere to ri ewebo, u weri ewebo, ebo ma we welo yare, ebe wo yare. Listen to me. Uga ewe bo ma we o yare, ebe wo yare, e visa nu yare, e ogwe. Maybe it's in our resemblance in way. Oh, I don't know. Imagine where I'm here, Benny, a Ben Wayare, a new waro. Oh, a fake, no. Then I will advise you now. Eggy Joe, total you wa. Because anything can happen. Okay? Anything can happen at the end of the day, Bana. I won't really be well again. Why do you be like that? Do me we fake no? Bewe. Then aga me we bewe no. My darling brother, my darling sister, bewe yare. Evisa nu yare ni ogwe no. Eni wo ro. Wogele ye basi yare ye. Ima bege mi okpa. Ima bege rizion pa. Nu ago amoha. Nu ago agoyo gore. No ago amuha we arunokpa no ruwo wage no ma even nu ya mi ebe o ma ego eyan ri ebe nu eyan de ticket we enu gbe so se for me kweverie iku enu ke wiku o ma erede de no ga imu fon dagbe o we emi na imu na we no salo bade yo wo bo nu yari eva nu ya koke moko kame e de ya igbe iyen ji wina o oya gwaligo omigo ya yebae emi ni ewi ye uni ye mwe fon dagbo o rovi ya rovi okwo o rigo bo ya yebae then nugwe na mi go nwe ya yebae o ga mwe fon dagbe. I should stop reading comment. Okay, fine, I will. Odo tawe iye here stop you when nuge iwe uma we ni ro pa o eta mu ewe ugu do na mu no ma keke nu mu relele gbe eta mi ewe ugu de una kun ewo lele gbe we tu mu yan zeveki eta mi ugu de ana do mi ewe ashawo we do agbere bo na etu ewuna enwan we do aso we do agbashawo onya mu we gina. But rudawe uwe bobo uma debe court uma we ni dan uwe bobo nu ya gwalera eri ni mori na mi ri enete ri enegbe agu anawe nu ge iwe onu pana wa ladi ana we now nu ge iwe then we yi ladi we do ata we wala ordinary number 1 me wa we wala ba o. Veni meje, me ma offendo moi. Degi menesta na offendo moi. Menesta, mena we me. Nobody should temper justice with mercy. Okay? Kenina really we me no makeke. Please. Don't be a fake friend. Okay? Don't be a fake friend. Just call me and talk to me, you know, because the Bible said open rebuke is better than secret love. Okay, so open rebuke is better than secret love. Get to ame get ka wo tanu na se me u bere kene mata je u tamame o u wa tema me esta mi nu na uma wese wa hia gbeme wa ge vie musician me no ke bae because eyan give me ni u eyan mi ma pa ma eva wa face me wa gbeme je mi ni u wa na me gbeme je mi ni u ne because o ma no we mama somebody that loves you when you err, they will tell you the truth. After telling you the truth, they will still bring you to themselves and say, we love you. Then you will know that they did that. They try to build you. They scolded you so that you can retract your step. That is not hatred. But this time now, when your friend do something, you will not tell him or her the truth. You go hide, you go they pamper your friend for bad thing. So now, I ask myself, and I ask every other person, what is the reason? What happened that these people now came out to say, no more Europe tour? What happened? I know. Good evening. I love you, ma. I know that Benin, we are minority. Benin, we are minority. It is quite understandable. We are not large. When you see Yoruba people, they are nationwide. Big. Big. Even some parts of Benin say Yoruba speaking tongue, they inside. Then Igbo, they are big. Hausa, they are big. If Calabar is even bigger. Then Benin, that is the minority, that is very small. We still have different language inside. Inside this small Benin, we still have different language. Afemai, what's it called? Ishan. Different language inside. What is it called? Wamo. I don't forget their name. Different languages inside Benin. So Ishan now, they use Benin. Most of Ishan people, they use Benin. They use Benin till they sing. They go sing me sound with their Ishan people, Ishan language, because they're still small. So they try to manage our community. They try to manage our community because we small. Now, because that is what they go say Benin a room and a palace. Say nothing where you want to do for Benin, we no go expose. Before you know it, don't, because your person and my person, your friend and my friend. That is why if woman now they do crooked for Benin, they try to they sharp, they friend different men they go. You are only fooling yourself because you go end up in dating your ex-boyfriend brother. You go date him. You don't go know. Because Benin a small place. That is why we need to be very careful. You will come find out say the friend when you don't date before now the friend to who you date now. Benin is as small as that. So when the issue of Europe talk came, we all started. Before this old Europe tour issue started, people have been going to Europe to play. Somebody like Mama Naomi, she don't they travel for a very long time. She don't they travel, go they play. Even Saint Destiny don't travel before, go play. Ouch, God bless you. I don't need to go school again, don't late. Now my grandchildren want to go start school now because now the new one country now. So time not there for me to go school again. Now money me they pursue now. So they say I know they read comments, I know they hear. Is it madam stay one language? No, I go they miss some. So these people they don't they travel. It bank good. They don't they travel. No problem. Then Yoruba musicians don't they travel for a very long time. Igbo musicians they travel, they go abroad, they do show. No wahala. It can't reach Benin people tongue. When it reached Benin people tongue, we started traveling. As we started traveling, because Benin is a small place, and I said, they say, musician too many. Musician many for Benin. One which day for year I do and say musician never many reach for Benin. Because people who they teach work now, we know they teach them make they go sleep. They want come they use the work till they chop. So musician never many for Benin. No work where people not many. No business where people for not many. No business where people for not many. If you reach market now, you go see fish line. Oh, where here, different people here working here, different fish. It's okay, Scooby, it's okay, Sese, it's okay, Melusa, it's okay, solo, different fish. In ya fete ya here any fo. In ya here ke. It's okay, 5 carton. It's okay, 10 carton. It's okay, va. It's okay, ba. Depends on when the say. Depends on when the customer were strong, he say. Depends. But every ya must ye here. In ya guale ba eri no mo. Wa so book mo. O ye busy. Ema ye we na yakin mo because in ya here do yakin mo. Emani here we na yakin we here do ka do that we bu no kin mo we ye yakin mo. O be ge we bo ye kin ya mi wo o be la o ke we yakin. Musicians, as we start to they go Europe, who never see go, they pray, say God make I see go. So loba give some beni vejo ya play. As far as ugwa si moi, ujikuvedo, era no reve goma ya koko. E mani wa nae, anae, aneru we gumebe ebe mani wa menae. Ihe adoka we rudan we. Estaliona wanjo ovia gege Jesu jo o leti jo iyan rudoni na mehia ijo rudoni na mehia ijo mi atota yowa o enwa ya fefe ni ruweki ni kimi weki uga suweki ebo yakin mi dando go kin oge we mu emi wekin mu shede me mo gibe me do shede Emano kia do gwima demi. Oga verema. Oma gede. Obe ari oge nokba. Obe ya ve. Oma gede. Obe ari nokba. Obe ya ve. Ogbe so do mi no do consider ne we. Gume wa hine. Ni manager atolato. Obe hine. Bete me so waro wata we ri ya de. Eri ya hin. Iri juice. Oma de ari owe. And ebe no tani wi ya hin ni. Oma ko wa de. No de do ebe no ya tai. Oma wa ko wa de no do ye hin. They will not consider any. We might weigh me down. No, we consider any. We go manage ni ki one very only. We might weigh me down. E down do get on mu yoge arieki. Or even no yakim yoge. Then, Rudare edokere. And the Maya no winana. No, the we bodwa bi wana. E se kopa mayaje. E se kopa maya waje. Maya miegbe. Or se mayahin. Or te mayahin. Agboya we are in one circle. Egena ya ye Europe to ege soma. We got Ladiania, Ari Holland, a different tribe. In we a show. If ye Ghana, if ye Sorona, if ye no pa eya viema. Traditionally ya viore do awe show. If ye we Veladinia enjoy biya. Me jokba we last year. Bebe Holland jokba. A somana different all over the world, Africa. Eya ya yewebo. Eya ya sinwa, eya ya we cultural heritage to entertain their people. No matter what it seems, no re ewebo. Now, because manivye dokere, oris iwa sege summer. I'm with a postal adian. Every summer. Otu arena top different artists every summer. Well, like Facebook, we not like Instagram now. We are big different artists. E ya fefe ye we bo. Iya ya we show because e bo yan ze. E do e so ivie do. We de rema ye na we do. Ivi Calabar, ivi Gbowi Yoruba ni wa we hip hop. Name them. E bo yan ze. They are serving the whole world. Oma kwebunse because the whole world in serve ebo ni adameo ebo nebo inya dame in Nigerian sine in fact inya gikweme nwa in Nigeria ya dameo eya enjoy so who beg na we advantage in is that they are serving the whole world Oma kwebunse koma kwevun yan se they still need more but because they are national or worldwide they complain lo dore. Because we are very small. And And the people in Madua, the community of the Edos, then my wife will post a ladian. A poster no ladian with dove ye now. O me say 20. O me say then another way poster yan video, now. I want to say something. I will stop reading. I deliver ni someone arena. E dama doge no gi musician Iyan mwe poster latin. We are the Europe tour. Show organizer no re a street way. Ona muya. Monte. Manorie a show where year na. Oh, the next year. Manorie show where year not the next year. Different faces here. So no very last year be real because even here when the way they love you they'll still come. But all Manorie show the year now. All the next year. A boy one we so the year now. Or marrying no moving up about. But next year what do fear Bobo Bafwa? Oh, what Lyria? We got there. You not have a last year where I will be quiet. He had them one also. In your head, can be a woo or can job with blood pet or petty way or win it because in we was so near or one in you all day. I will not read again. All day. So, it's so what they all or whenever every year must obey. Now, a show promoter na a artist or restrictive well on an artist. You can decide not to come. Nobody know who you go when what so far you go where. When you go where you can decide to say, ijo nupo. But a year now, or my day conducive men here, yo. O ma many no do time a public you. No, you owe nobody an explanation. Nobody. No can explain ma. Where he dey. You and your God yourself no see no they go. You enter your house. Nobody know they don't know what so manare. You understand? Then in a sitting uje, ona me oga mwe day. Una will decide where uhiare. Oh, what we had there? Oh, what we had there? When they solo boya lay or ya to what we were very only. Eminaria toma when I live in then a processing a musician say yarena. Iyagare. Oya me taiban where moya ni here the kia ya ye here. No like you. Now this is for the show promoters. Wo here demi wo enu ga de no easy no na here kakabo. Okay, he got there, he guy na. Almost say he got share de yan rere do. O de. E so we no we no guy no gien na or cheap. Ya do ya me no the guy no gien o be there. You ain't no him na you ain't the level of customer no me. E artist na mwe poster la jan we away Europe tour. Kakabo mu pa mu we ren ge. Iga mo artist na ina hion ya mi go wa. Iga mo artist na ina hion ya mi go wa uge. Una ge go a mi go wa e artist ni o eni oge keke be new we no we. E ma like we no we ma be like the artist e ma aladian de uve vese uve ve veve no aseti asa veve no we iga be miebo because a live video ni watch you know the miebo ko pa call where e show ya fe ni ege ni do madam o to oge gbe wa go to oge o go ta madam because when he mejena he setting rigome yari ye business iri we business ni magene ibe go gbe we gbo giver imagene ibe go gbe wo gbogia imagene gbogene ibe we magene that mean say ireve magba ereve magba be oni there reve na gba e keni we business ni igene they did not get we like the business we business ni oni a uno ya ke go gbe we ikakapo ivese we no go make here ibe gene iga viu makie me iyewe iga viu makie me ide ipa e force so oni na ga woni then moya mwe postal adia me visa me. E brother me visa ge. E sister no ba me visa ge. Ori e visa ni go yari e. Ori e we ni yari e we bu. O mari e we ni yari we cupboard. Oga mo poster ladia. E ma no like e. Anybody not dey show na kin show. Gbe so ti ki o pa kin va. Anybody no like e yari show ge. No ma me like e we jo. Da do ge me fans o ge. So oni na ga o ni. Then Emma need a show ima. Emma need a show ima. Eme hiagi gugwana. Wani redwa wash ima. Eme hiagi gugwana. Because in do atania where wani redwa wash ima or complain my which me I know woge no. Iye where wani redwa wash ima complain. Emma ni bon. Eso sigma wowa. Eso siona. Eso yeah, making na we ekene presenter na we show. Iya iwari efun, iya ko, iya ga gun. O we eni wo mana. O wa ewo na, e we ni sunu, o ma gba. Na wan si o te no, let's one name wen. Na wan si o te no. Iya wa do toge. O we ni ke ye show, o we go pa ni and ejo o wa toge. Eso we ro, iye kwa ya rejoma. O wa rejoma we do who call you no what te no we gbe yo. Iye rejoma yo to do te no we gbe yo. Then wani rie show ima ni zewe magari we bodo we to mami o e mani organize e ire be miemi rie la lo why we go why we enjoy gbo wa kere pa. Ime when medola se fenata mwa we no matter any no here soon we life na mane musician do certain look down on wa never mane musician do my setting your bopa bi wa we river why wani rewe bo why we maniro wa ti ma wa we na wo salobo anu po giver why get him wa we wado rescue ima le do mami we musician ka di obini ase o de ga mono rewe bo e ravije ni bunya mo wa ereti yaji o mona do lawe bona do bo wari yaji o we soro na ga na mi ba erie yunu o mona do lawe bo o gi beri ge ba egi baba gije ni ami ya rie ba ruki agba e so do mutin ya lawe bo tin ya gi be live where ti ma ge mani rewe bo we na go salobua wa o mani di na tamu wa now Emani ribe ni talona mere wagian because oma no kai newe oma na die we bodo we show awa na de poster yo to oma no kian ye show unu no ojo ne oye no ojo wo iye poster wa bu o oto bo eri eri o selete ya jona of ye go pa o ya mwegbe ko in his own conducive time. As in a very conducive way, we in onona ni choose na capability yen ability yen na je on a here meeting you without stress ni here na do you we ya go we on ene o wa le vie go but na only o can get lejo we mana jogi me o le je na o jogi colleague me o pa nu ijobo ne gedegbe ewu who don majoro me be ye na mami who we dey do we o mami who dey le do we that no ma egbe ye bun ete ye ra o e ma bun no ma ka like lady of some before but today they like me and they can change a man. Change is a constant thing in nature. So eyan yo giwa no wa do guyan so eyan oge we o me no gwa pa be ku wa ma wa yore the next thing wa we mi so emi ni wa oni wa e wo ma cordial but wa yawe now ima only go to and even a show ya swear na do ya where you know trust I don't that is not the reason I am here. E me do mu di a musician ya fe artist musician ba E ma no ri we entertainment never do gwan wotana we ma n'entertainer si ni redo ma setting diri ba ne kovun ni ma disrespect wa ni wie do ni ma mwikubu adie do ni ma disrespect wa madam wa gui esowo ni ve la dian tana we ori miye wo de o matuyen. There is an adage in Benin where arun opa ga leva ene wo ya ese e wo ya ri ese bete wo ya ga leva ene arun opa ese ti ri efo e be musician ji me no ya kuwe obito pa e wo re bitoni yan fime ibe ya kuwo we eni be ye ko be dere be ku yan fime then e mani fini meni e so ido de kun yan wo de igbera yan iman yan akwa ire we iga fini be dere ogibe won na gbera me o ma tuwo me eri o wa yi o inu e wo musician ki an setting inu e wo ma setting Oma meme ni wan sike mase. Imeta mu wa secret okpa na oma meme ni wan sike musicians se. Iya enwe. Iya se ti pretend we enwe o re no ya ma enwe. O meme nu wu guyan ku constantly. Iya do jiwe o. Ru da garu we stage ne. Adegoma. Ma begoma. Wa ru we stage ni. O ma me nu siko ese we fi we to yo o he wo ma to we o but o se na mi wo ma be ni meje ni na mo go dem ni gu mo go ya mi o ma itu o kere o kan ma o polo o ke me ya to we na gbira o hon ewe o mo mo ke me ya to we esoro yan gegbi yan mama e show nu we yan ga reva nu gbe say we yes I remember and the man remember but I want to make you feel okay, make you feel at home and comfortable into admit okay jerene okay jerene because ina do ata we majere almost o ya gegbe we and at the end of the day ije but he only easy way of the stress he do agree okay yes he remember so we make na feel relax ado tu egbe ai to egbe na mepa why me do me we gegbe we okay mata do ijere ne oge no ibajere efesi ni mi ebugbe imajere o me be ni ma ya support egbe ma support egbe ma ani ke na gui odo wa na ye gui ya divorce ana iwe ma ni re business opa ani ke na gui ma be gui ma be settle so don't lock my comment or I don't lock the comment on our body. No. Please open the comment. Sarah, open the comment. Don't lock it, please. Don't lock it, please. Let them comment. I beg you in the name of God, please. Let them comment. So on in our knee. Then I want to appreciate everyone. No really showing money. No you do. You are a Benin person, not a Benin person. No you attend they showing money. May God bless you. If you know you cannot attend, don't worry. Don't bother yourself. Don't stress over it. Don't bother. God knows say you no fit. You no fit displease yourself. May you take please another person. The one you can attend and let it go. Even though say 1 million can't come, you don't already look your pocket. Say you no go. Don't worry. Okay? If we come show like this, now money you go take visa, now money you go take buy ticket, and at the end of the day, the organizer go still take you on for his side. This Europe tour they go so, not be only we in the favor. My dear brother, MC Jerry Angel, don't talk so many things. I watch a live video, when he do, I watch him. I was like, me I'm not wrong in mind. A boy not say yami. If you're here, daughter. Can I we show ni on my nowhere on me again over a DJ namu on me igun woman MC mi gun woman mani do fingo be bani have brew the changer in mi gun woman mani we taziveria ni in mi gun woman hotel no re ni mi gun woman have bonori visa ni mani ma yare no wa wetin yan kan Oh, okay, yeah, ale bonorie visa ni majare iya ne nwa. Okay, magi ne nwa se bona. E boma ewe. O si enu na report. They go fe ask you. Iya here no water. Where are you staying? Enya ka no. Do mama no here stay ke. Okay, ke ni stay in a family ni stay ke. Do me family dey hotel can stay you if a hotel can stay you are where hotel can stay you we no mwe e hotel no bookire. Umwe meya. We hotel na hin. Umwe meya. Then you go. So ebo no the visa ni ma ewe anything in my do we bo na I ma do spend go. Abi ma eri ama ma eri an hegeti ma do spend go. Starting from the ticket in ma here then ma ya life flight. Economy ori an boost. Ou we body. A flight ticket ekbe body. Iya me we magave say we bone. Ma like azi economy ori an ya boost. Ma we shopping economy ori an ya boost. Iya get him ima be do stop ima be do spend go we nia. O sie nia na ri ni ma. Dem nia go reject so wa me de to le o be le ban o be kin liability o be do o be ari maru. But once they know una a document in uvia na back here I beg you go no rakanti we. E gegen yare visa no because yan we to wa do lu go we yan. Yan makon. So if name na get tag because the number 1 ye na number 1 ye na me let 2 me let 3 name na get tag be eme soro no tiyan we musician irewebo anyway nerun saloba geve soten me gbe dopa no we ade oga ko wo ma na mure eme won go boy inwe ma we also guess where ami ma ne sinwe ma any musician or game musician no 100 song o me to mi won ma we no like nu onu so we swear ami wa no sinwe ma ohun no eme won boy but omoru na ya sinwa e ma like me no ya sinwa be stage gi amue no ya sinwa. There is no comparison about this whole job. Et dans le me destiny aurait. Et rien n'a quoi sur moi. Et rien n'a ma ou. Et rien non pas. Different complaints. On a carrément no de. Et il devait na. On aurait 1 million times. Veni me gena. On va na tie me bi wina. Ika jono de we de. Et show ni me kia una vacation re. A vacation if he can return before a vacation ire tire do winner ire do mi me a vacation ire na cho na na re we lady of song I want book you since you there around may you come play yeah it do ta we winner it we in winner because na vacation I come it we in winner na vacation I come. That means near not you have a shift in you. That means why Joe? Near not you have a shift in you. We know I go yesterday, I know go again. When no one me okay, go me way, but a toy me may say. A toy me or may say. Emani bungwa ye wa gie oh Emma Mareo, my dear. Let me tell you one thing. Ema so no ya dem ya mweki. Iya lose. Iya ya mweki ya lose. Emi go no ya no emi we go ma we gain. No we business in should understand that sometimes you will gain, sometimes you will lose. Most of the time our traveling is to boost our handles, as in maybe where yes, Dublin is going to hold. Maybe I raise the shoulder where international musician might be making. Or the maybe upgrade. Mani bun reba. Aware or aya upgrade. Then a so be me family man ya be do amie. In the process no ya be me family organi una na wa be ro wa be ba. Now mani rie show ima na we show. We show ene eva ma de yo. Udwa bei. Udwa taloa, udwa via. Who do avie we show if ni wa do una evama de yo. So we te expect when in de yo. Va go lose the business. Va go lose. Business in na gain. Na lose. Una me jo e mama ladia. Who will understand? To boost your profile. God bless you. Who will understand the work? E mani be ladia. E yama be setting be ladia now. Oh, man, ebonu joni eboni amu we ari ni mani reboni. Iye vie doreba or vie donireba ni ye show. Who will understand? Webe ma on no organize why koko ga the loss. Why koko ga on ari ogo na ri oge. Ta do get ba. Take your loss, I take my loss. Everybody move. Who ga be jono me jeboni mana like you we. Eboni fancy je. Who be gogo? Who be mo saloba we organo. They no want him to large and daughter we. E show no wa uno de mamare o. Rudani mana we live video no wa age no. Rudani mana we live video. I got a show. I will do the fancy me no rowa. Ni I make them watch a show man because they are my fans. They want to watch my show. Ni mana we live video no wa no wa age. Oh wana tie be. Bene ma yare bene ma yare bene no no. And now it will stop. Me I am telling my fellow musicians now. Woman nukia do buma. Woman nukia do give don't no give one weke pa ware no weke do come where what do cast do boss we show ni ba una error e mate go we fancy ni ro wa yen be go. But now that in tie be in do we be in do geni age do we ni we e mamare no more live video when you are on show. No more live video. E fancy no like you no ma seti re. Name be no yare or city no jojo. Come we oh I'm sorry my darling. Again ni di yare. Again ni yare city no je wa be wash me. Egbe mommy make we live video ma re show. E do wa gbon ni go wa ki go le lo ma. But again na we win na asu se ama bege. Wa ge we live video me gitamu wa na wa re show. We are gabe Davidonia. Ami anyway. E fancy we video. E fancy ya. Ugbeso ya to bi ya emanile li ya jo ave otiyan o emanosi ke ya be workers ya. Iye be mo fun ya we record de kere. Iye do post ofo kere e ke ni ave record yourself. As in very small. 1 minute 2 minutes e ya record the service show. E o to arena wa vun we me live video we me live video there. We no o to arena vun se we me live video there. E kere do post do beg where a show. I will live video. You give you donia my one will live video da ya wa mwege u wa mwege then no ru wa no do respect akoya o okay be na I will have good if you show na ma de yo e dia wa gbe we hey no more live video. Apologize to your fans. Ebe na mi area we show when wari o wa. Was a record in 1 minute. Una onu post was so one post. Again, only come where you post manu here do buma. No more live video. Oni naga agoni. Because a live video do so we not save nana yana. Oni naga agoni. Then I want to tell you guys, when no ye show, when no es when ye show, de na ya show now. Whether you are in Canada, whether you are in UK, you are in Ireland, you are in Europe. We no ye show ye na ya so show. Ala go da o ki an me dagbon we. O mi dobo. O salo ba ki an bless you we. E nu ri boy no mo ki an dino den we. E wina nu wina. O mi adegi ke wa ala go da o ki an mi e. We nu we ya ladian. We ye go me ya support e ma na bi e bo me na. O mi dobo. Igo o ekponu fi oboyi na wijo boni. I monu we bie e keni ari na gwali yobo. O salo ba can push on and your bobby ni we push again. Who da ekpon we na rigon we ya with your boni. O salo ba mana we we direct all we no monu bie all we not twin. Idole mana mo wa we see. No won we ya je e show orima. Iye we anybody ne programa be fun ma honori show. E die la video do tie. Who da I want nego all the time. Federal government is broke. I mean, well, money hustle, ni struggle. Anybody can broke. Also, any na we party. Mama na re o mano kare mare igui ya invite o mare igui because ye we enyo sunu ya ye we show we do because me ready ni ya gu asasi ye ragbon ya ye we party ya igudo gwi wu mare party me we no ere ne ye oga upe kan wa o ya jo kenagi u kedo magi jo u jo ye ukiama okay ya gu no ukiama to tome you to tome bo agbo setting gbo e no man jo kaka Ruda, there are some people who like a party or you and I so man like it in be watch a live video but now na ma stop a live video na magi u we no man ka be jo ye o mari mago ma dan hin Ruda go marry show una do ma dan wo ma dan when he meje introvert making then the night musician age amine introvert he o wa me stage ila dian re ti riku so when no man swere does that make you a bad person or ma gwa le progress that you or if you no o gwa riku o gwa jo o ma kon we na jo is not your team anytime no me ya kon we na jo we jo o salobo ave bless you we o ma ka jo ye so ma o ma la jan denu do ka we wa gbiyan wa wona wa mweria ala go da okin ame ihun na riri anwin na me denu yari e ba ene mori no dori na menu ya ma wa gbon no se ti mweria o boda zen wo so be mweria u ga ikun go ni you nu weri yo wo gukun mi so iwa do le mana pon wa ya iyen ge wa gie wa ma gie wa so wa ma gie wa van ru da ma jiku on ma no jiku me ge don do ya ta lo bi bae on ma no be jiku me de do aso bi bae ru da o ma no ado tama o ma na be jo no me hedu ma jo ro e choice we no ihun ni aje na e wa gian wa we se le gbi ma when wa ya support ma when wa ya we mi ma when wa ya try by all means where owo ma adi owo ma die wo ma go na meroji owo mama be mi go ya fi igo ya muwe when a musician igo ya muwe I mean no ugbe so aga mu me biku ikuni emi no fi me ina do oza ve wiku na mana fi me ina place e wo mo bo divia na mi di energy ikuna mana fi ni me me na place and the day gari ikuni oyi do mu ko gume we so place no na ku so e mana mi we mana do mu we as a workman even if the money na small money they take carry you do your best for that place because you don't know when you go take carry big job o make a big job in here larry whether you ma feel o ma no setting the ticket in me o the ticket o yala wa o ma no dey the show no the show organizer no way the show when ticket no can amigo no ya pay workers no ya pay ho no ya woro na maybe o be do kin anyo ba they no way ticket ni ordinary no ya pay ne artist no do play a pay no any voi kan we wa managi spray nu odu aso amanagi spray nu do we ama pay nu we a before we keep pan ware igo nu we ve na ve nu we ni we ma e wo ke igo ni on we ana pay nu any igo ni ni any ho no $5 yan re yo wo hu o kaka bo ri igwe yo to we saloboa o ma no ye $5 ni yo wo hu ni saloboa we no wa mo mo hian o ae wa gbera ba nu magi yo ani ma no fina iye ma do fi we nu make na hian iye ma do fi we nu make na do pay ni ya weregbe iye ma ri show we because uyan re nu do uni ya weregbe oga area ya we e ma no ri show ta adegbe me do ajo ya weregbe abe Davido abe Whiskey din ya wulo fo ane ya wulo ko for nothing sake inu ya metinjo okay Ruda ri show we be there yo igiri show we na igiri Nigeria do we party mari show me igiri do we party ina do we barrage mare artist nu weri show ge o ma o e bo to o mi e television like inwa ge like mi no una die show ge de we ware ne we wa do invite artist ni we no die marriage we Ruda nu na ri e show ge ni o we no die marriage we that means we mu se ge no do mu nu we weregbe o we mu se ge no do mu nu we weregbe yin ma un we o ya mu nu we weregbe e love nu we me dai we ya ri show ge Then you need that artist no dear show where you need that artist no you all know if it's a show a marriage me or a burial me here una a party here una artist na you know river. What do you do? OTA a shanwe show a weekend in my kuwedo Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All the day a normal day, but Friday, Saturday, Sunday my yiku. OTA, here we party, you all know to play, many go I play. Ugwegwa. Or a prize in me. Maybe we are where different prize in your name. That dog go work. Emanire we bo, it a prize of any man in oh. Imasho. Ruda many measure. May you bok bamuiku. And the musician already your word. In your bok bamuiku. Oh. I was a witness. My husband friend Two-Face. When they contacted my husband, a prize in all year. Igareva. Later, when I give a tear, we are price in nobody near Igareva. Or different. Or maybe the same price. It was totally different. A musician, ye mood yari price in do me tamuana. A musician, ye mood yari price in Ubeso deso wa mogogo. Ye wa go. We are what call if you. And then you're gonna rely on water. You're gonna rely on water, but so you buy me with 500,000. Memory couldn't. Oh, what did you say? Mongo, check a WhatsApp you way. Mammy won't mango. May a president made in meeting away. Oh, because they may feel where may I couldn't me and me won't be pay. Ye the brand name or pay go away Esther. Where go one? Check a WhatsApp you way. You check a WhatsApp you way. You know where we may have there you a better than from one lucky say. A man, I get the president man. A corner anyway. You can't see any price. So a mood a kenwavia, German the real price in where you could. Oh, Ukiata. A quite anyway, the real price where you could when we have here via Munoma. And that's all the raw. You can the real price in you where a price in Ugalia because when we price in here, expenses we all run even me a gagable. Everywhere on a rewebo, and the price of it. On a musician up on the same price, Yamu Quiro. Oh, see, a mega Mukune, but we are telling me where the Yamunwe, or where oh, Mamma Yeta. It was because it was when we. My have a cover where area ya where. You understand now? On I calling me Baba, he can marry 2 million. On I call me maybe 1 million. Monya kume. O mami waiting. Get to the way now, in our way. Na phone evident. So, but is it things me woman or in a coincidence now? Make ya don't can wear oh no. Because in my heaven why I where ya wear. Or give me metana. Then manip couple where may show ema where weekend the musician ya yikunia ya gwaligonia ya rieva any more me. We here do we party where when we a weekend in memekune. Why when yare we here yare then adegi maire udo where my beggar you invited you ko marry. Oh, this thing you want invited you ko marry. Understand? I do am more woman. Oh, eti mate oni tere di oni re. E manage kwave a Lagos artist pop artist. Iye queen and where egbe yan ma yan. The only thing you can see a Davido we marriage oma or e yan amu e bury won ti go yan ya mo na hian. E Davido o ya re marriage oma igwa ya mo na hian. E to ga hian ruda wo ma ni ri e show ge ona we hian. Then Emani complain now where support man support kabo e.g. somebody like me support man give back to the community. Let me shock you now. My soul let me use Davido as an example. Davido with your bona fans fans You don't expect a fancy maybe we in be show me yan figo me. Igo ya la wa. Then me were ne bi agwa la fancy me kan ni aberi igo ni yawo yo bona. Ugben so e mani me kan wo yo bona yan ma yin wi me ropa. Iya e fancy me, iya ma yin wa me. O ma pa begi me go ne. Ona vie owiye hospital. Working here or beer in my discharge or hospital, a bemara momo different thing. Ona ata area show when a fin when I won't in one way, Wayavia yore, ena, well, Lady Sadoka. What do go make my animal go no ma in a get going for never fena with domos. In a way, or Manusuno Iban, Lady Sadoka, a colleague menu. Ei mo lady Sandoka mo lady of songs. Wa dogo me mo ei mo swear or temeni or swear. In a way, but okay, in a way, calm down. Ujogo teme, ujogo me, opano. Usogo seme, usogo opano. Oni mari ma wiki we nu no enwe. Ya we be no bomese. Ina gele wari account were emi no bomese ina transfer ne. On mani e fancy me, e fancy Sandoka no. Yeah, then yeah, you didn't well email. Okay. Oh, edo mani ma we yo bona. Some are not our fans. They don't even know our songs. They don't even know us. Iya Ture, out of the one who are very any ma, maybe feel boyo, maybe ya we yo bo. When ma setting you. Ya or go ala them social media don't kawe giving you a so we do ka. They've so good time to teach other people how to give. So go we ni ya uladian. Emini ya unema to teach other people how to give. Ma go we. Then maybe or we or money give ni ma maybe support in very ne or be more ladian. Cause on any we ni area neni or ma buy. Obi mwela dia when ma be support agu mwela dia e we to come show off or to come say na me do pass no oni na ga woni iwe ni le manata mu wa we e uyo me e musician jo me o ma me nu si Kenya se kakaboni iyan ji we o e tin ya yo bo form ma jo me then when it comes to support, my support, when me was support. And many of my colleagues no they support. When it's in we say. Ruda expenses get I get it am be again. That will give me expenses okay. So we no bo say. Oni na ga woni. A musician say so we raw. Ni very European na. Iya me ma we support ya we be ma say. Ni mama eve support mami wa here support wa hwe e den wana me tare when you artist be show o ana be prove ari yan ba maya pa maya hin wa monare o have try wa be monare o to make you all happy so o se ni na ta we manage show yan complain now if you dem pa my eva Iwani ye show iya show ni ajo ni iya ho ma ni ajo ni iya me ni e kin ajo anu we setting we do gbiyan ba because e wo yan kin ni ya so wa we say when wa ya ye show masalobo bless wa ma setting disrespect wa ma we setting do ka we mari yen se eni for me eni me wa gele wa believe where or see matanare eni me wa believe we see matanare a copyright ni mamu yimwa e mani bumu yo a copyright ni mavyo yimwa e mani bumu yo in the sense where in ya tebe pe live video in ya kebe sweme ni ata na in ya gi seti pe in ya ga pe o se problem yi live video in ya ni buna do amo yo for me only me believe where or see o no mu e mani bun a pride magiya wata we wala o edo musician wa be mu e copyright yin na wa re ni ma be ape ma be enjoy They now decide to say, well, since you have copyright in Lele, Ima work with Jiro must stop. Jiro must stop. Brother, where any be? And they come to that. What makes you think you can stop it? What organizer here? What revisa normal? What ye show? What ye show? With my own knowledge, we may ye show up. When any be na yakian ladia, we may Nigerian we are like we bo. A city no call where we may chatting Joe, a big way. Wo when we na one near vehicle we motor near a two-way gagia and enemy must stop. Who made you the seer? What makes you think you can't stop it? Go fear. 1 year ago ni my day ticket. What the tickets? All those depressed people ni wo ni mami mi wo I call wa live video ne wa feel big. Wa feel big. When you want a big banner, on one egg on one a big banner the egg no me winner. No emi no. Oh the live video all do call you oh me bogboma bo. Oh wa tie wa me bogboma wa tie mi nema. When people that have sense call on live video, they talk sense. Iyan go away yes. O ma gbona. We iyan tie bo. Awole mo ko do wa ko be depression keke problem ya no dey left for o wa ja your mani egbe. Ayi kemi ayo because agbayan ni. No wa ke we mi wa worry yin gbere. Boss nu. So all see any manate oni gwan ye matter na. And all see personally me mo jo. We colleague me la jan do ati wala I me mo jo wa egui. Igwa to oge. I me mo jo. Vi agu mo jo. Iya mala jan ta we dem gemi nu wa o. E de wa gbe amafie pa wa de gbe we gbi. The next problem don't start. Everybody, what you not do on the beg? Put it in but because of the pride, since no, it's a lie. It's a lie. Now, ma'am, a copyright is you. Let me go to that copyright side. For me. Imam we copyright yi won me and activate don't exonerated be we mori mase oga mekin rudagi me copyright yi won me and a colleague me no me copyright yi won re dano. That means izuo in my minute. It takes a sleepless night to write a song. It takes a sleepless night to write a song. To go and produce it, ego no. All the way video your ego no. Then why you went to the way social media because the CD here, again the CD na here, CD ya here. The social media give you the way YouTube, boy way YouTube ne. O ma say ba wani mwe, o imwe, iye ya copyright eh. We no nyami, we gi setting lo eh. E bi no gba ni here. E mi no gba. E ma ni book copywriting wani ya manya. Level na so no. O ma no nya na so yo sore. Ama mi to ma no we. Osunu da me, osunu da teme, osunu da many colleague. Demi no ye mani bon mwe copyright ji nwagiyan. Mani bu wa believe we rudigo. Now that again den na hin hu a, o hien a producer mo working property for some time, 10 years agreement igbe. Or by 10 years anybody no kin one ya mi o iwan we. 10 years. O kin one of my couple with me at the end of the day. Or yeah ma wa gbon ni. Ya mi property because e mo de dori o ewuku. E mo de dori o ewuku. E property we no. Wo so fa swe. If we de dori mi se. Iya de do de gbe swe. O we no. Then ugbe mai mi we esi digi hien na. E YouTuber ri mu yi. E mani buna do am misuse e. Oye ya mo copyright wan na okiyan. Then e ma be we ni an lo e do ata we no nya mo copyright ya na e wote mo yo. Then ori sunu dame. Ori sunu dame. Ina ti o mani e ma call me. My sister no Francis tie me we o we mu wan ahien ni lolo. In one na o we hien ni lolo because unu ba ni lu one na eni oro ladian wo wi yan yin don. That very song ina we o imagine imamu kene o ma me na be ko My lady, oh no, it was a shop, Facebook presenter with nothing. Inu bani elu wana, enion wana la diamo. Upesio, enion la diamo. Why not make copyright you and I? A boy, when I call the same diary and I call him anywhere. Inak bengie, inak bengu besio, inawhere. Why not make copyright you, man? Anyway, presenter that wa call him na agelegela send the presenter na solo with Facebook. Ya na solo with Facebook where lady of songo presenter na o kama o nega ya solo abi wa mo eyo. Ina we me. Iya call me ime o mama no mo eyo. Ilaje na be do so pagume yan no mo eyo imasun ni wa roba. But egeni ya gbege la wo pe si ohun yen ken. Ngwo. Mweyin. Or when it's any blogger no, he yet it's any blogger no he. Mwen. I wanna work in here. I'm not do mwen. Better I have your claim. I have your claim. I said the video make up be one in a video or the women. Remember where he beg he not concern me. So he might worry, but all you do too much in the tea, not make mwen. On a we am we. Or give a moin ne a music in what that release a video get. It what that release a video get. On a one moin the full one. On a mouye be Paris. Or you moye be Paris. The full video in a TA. La wo sister. Here will be Paris. You go my well no. Come on no moin. Full video. I mean 1 minute. Oof ya bo. And no more the full video. You go ya we moin. Edo community is very small. Makere, I come manage industry na na mi go yari bae. Derio. Ori mo ine, emi vani, o sio emi no la mi egbe. Emi no la egbe, emi vani on si e. Ona mo egbe. But new wife aga la diabo. Wa be fake nurse, abi fake doctor. New wife aga la diabo. Wife pa ni ga no. Any present avec maladian, why va pas, et n'y aura ladian, no ga copyright live video, me everything, or ga vie copyright. A bon wado team and my cat, then what are you? Vosunu, what are Betty, you want to take a de marriage me, I mean, Wamau. When I load the one, shuku, what are this blessed bua? What's what I not do? Who send your papa? Who send you? Look at Lord, look at Lord, who send you? Nobody. Look at me. Imwe jene. Igiwa. I no be your mates. O saloba bless him ene. O manari agbon. O biona mweje. O fufine. I am blessed. If he made the doing ya webae. If he made the doing you webae. We on there give me rai. We on there. Oui, mais ana miabe et que non ma keke oui on dit il vient rien fait ko wori rien il même il y a no yo bo we rien na riave o ma ti gba ore gbu am we to agba ore ma be dem wa mai u be social media na do wa kan do un now you na ta we you know they instead na they help me. Me here we go give ba when the government our VAT no ateme me no ta. Emon but edeni wuna wa mu wane we was the teme ogogba Francis Jasper ko agbabera wa biju. Why is it teme me for free? Free. Wana do ye grow me na do ye get the be. That I am now one of the biggest musician in Edo State. I am now one of the biggest. Abu Wama who help me. Now na help me. E mani buna ya yegbe gwale saga ya ona saga yan. Na make na mani man yan make na be gwale yan. So te say we colleague me ya saga me we e saga or just start do ya grow. If you don't know now no. E saga ya me grow. E saga lift me up. E saga help me. Even one time we help. That is for that. Because in here eva. No many in effect no sitting no win owoke bati owoke e kokobiri ege no ya wetin yen dey buy magbina this same lolo now all the team make am mewe momo can I thank you no that way or ogbe omon wa gbagui no do time I thank you no ba we to help you o wa wo igogo hun o ma dan wa no me wa mi na igogo hun help you de esiko momo whatsoever any evacuo iyan evacu dede iyan lele gbiyan kwekwe no ma ni gbe ni ba ni egenu pe si o ya ti make am mewe momo ma ni momo fake doctor momo wo ke koko biri we to help you igogo kun aye poge gi agowa iyan evacu. Did I call you? No. Ne. Let me now. Let me leave this topic now. Let me go to the second topic. Wa wesi. Wa ni dey show him asalo ba bless wa. Because man bo pe ni ake you when musicians ya solo, or pe ni ake you want to see we do ya so. Why you woman so? Why you woman so wala o? Why you gbina ni ma? Wa mo o da gbuwa. Aneke na na gui. Aga gui ave dolo. Wa you gbina ni mama ti wa do gbina ni ma. Wana ori magbina no gu efian ya gima be no we wa fian we wa gima ya be gbine wa zuwo wa me ma berio egbina ni ma ameke na egbina ameke na gui why you women so we are humans blood runs in our vein why you women so dima na gu wa gima gui ami organization na gui ona ga woni then I want to talk. My show still stands. Yeah, we show me. A show up by Ronnie cancel. If no see any man cancel a show up by. Oh, but Maria visa me. Ni yari we bo. Ni handuru da cancel a show. Oh, one no kai we mega we show. Eri ehia gberi ehia mu. Ikewe. Iye genwe. But he am again no we say. Uka we 3 years ago. Imagwa because we are one matter never was that no one hear about that person. Imagwa here can do matter for imagwa you wait to imagwa yo. Now una de be we year now. O we gi do time o we gi time salo women now where no who ge. Umo twen ari e wonu jeni. Island or 20 ba no mula wa. We citizen land working or 20 land nan we mula wa egega se ogbalegbenu we atiere ni we tiere gian adie ho iya ga ire eniwe mi akagbe everything it dey with me my sister we ubuki an face me now e mate face we o ma kan we nuke uwa mekena na robi ma woda for me ba nu karu lejo o wa talo imaze we because he anyway di okwo na kana yebo me o se no bi me o to avije me nu wo we va do dey by meeting me a meeting me rules and regulation or me law which you are aware of you know who get deba wa what to we wa if you to we sumanen wa ya mumazu bima o wa nu wa mu go nu wa le o we na over we enike na fiera o we na over we kegeni adegbe ma okowe iya no fiera ni ya o wi me iya o ri me hegbe me le median iya ade do na iya dore iya le do pa voice here wa wegbe wa modu nu wa na ladian wa ari Nigeria nu wa na ye show wa ari Wesley wa ari capacity less wenena wa ari different places wa we left irema ni a o ade ni a o wa se nu wa na we my club is a registered club. A club be a car. What is then when I show kese buwa like me why do I when I post a picture? Na giving it so somewhere. Na get do what make me goni. Where you can answer any destiny investor. Oh yeah, I'm a bogbe you ever when bani. Edo wa ga koko na gige kun ugure club me ba ne ya de be club a club abi je big club, not soggy me. Why are you still paying? Why are you paying about my own? Umaria or in a better Ethiopia. I not be man. Talk let's say I felt toast you or I whatever. Why are you still after me? But it is time to stop you. It's time to stop you. And you will be surprised when you can stop you where. Come, ah shit. I'm sorry, this phone wants to off. Yeah, stop you where. So that is for that. So that woman cannot stop me, my darling people. A woman ni to be where I'm not too well at Diana. Oh, we are not too well at Diana. Say that where your charger. Oh, we are not too well at Diana. So when we mula webo. You were mula landina. Oh, we are here at Diana. Why are you my guy? When we are here, why are you? Nobody should call this line. Oh, via la I say, même evidence where. Oh, man, your home and viola. Oh, bagbe, my dear. Oh, bagbe. So now nobody can stop me. I have my papers. Okay? They show me. They show a do. I wish show me. He wait vacation for me. Arioba. He so what? He don't make poster me ladian. Brother, sa Europe tour. He could away a Europe tour. Me Europe tour me. I came to see my children. So I now then let me now go to Monica. A Frank, I can end a live video now. Let me go to Monica. Or should I talk about Frank first? Let me go to. Okay, let me talk about Monica. Now, a mate so soon. A mate so soon. Let me go to Monica. I know like 2000. Okay, let me talk about Frank first. Let me talk about Frank. Nobody should call me. What's enough is enough, I beg. Frank. Do tota, Larry. Do tota. Go me remind you. Where let me first of all praise myself. Aga kunwe musicians in no me. No mongo, no me respect, no respective vedo. I think ya gazevi five of them. And I when I K5, I K5. Ya la diam way a musician no me respect. Mori respect man se. Mori re man se. Iya ogbon e titi egbe me I know who I be. You are respecting makakabo. But emani boom nire do push me. Niro do test me. Where ya we me. Emani all they disappointed. No we so here where Esther me respect. Esther ni they arrogant. Oh madano and all that. Because he try me. You know the beg where you man not tolerate me video. Knowing and doing is a sin. Knowing and doing is a sin. I'm a mistake. Okay, my way. No. But knowing and doing is a sin. That is why they don't like me. Because I will not keep quiet. It must time away where he take care. Ugaega tia bonera vi jouer. Eti nera me vi jeme. Iye we me no we ra me vi jeme. E bon wete ne ri me vi jeme egbian. Iye egbian bete mi a me tie ne rugwe wi jugwe we regbe. Ru dan mi ha me tie ne rugwe wi jugwe we regbe ni. Egbian. Egberu we gbi jugwe. Gele de ro ma vi joma no egbe. Gate mata. E bon ati ne egbe na de ro ma vi joma no egbe. Oma gbero pa. So if Oma na gberi make bijime, ni mi ave tineru we viju we gbiyan, but he must tie eniyan we regbe. Uga tinera we viju must tie eniyan we regbe. E be begi win and do an win now. Many people look up to me. I have many godfathers, I have godmothers that will say no, please don't talk. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let them talk. After talking, they will go inside. Then Emmanuel Frank ala le sagena jena. Iyana do take care as well. artist yan hina yen de dogun ohonu roviyan ye gbe no yen rovi we gbe ofio mami na fie ekpo beve va fi ofio mami na fie ekpo beve va ofi because when good dey do fin ye but gbe so na o ma do fie ni materi ma ge tu ki aseti gbe o tu mo mani bu wa ye control we when you say thing go because you want to be loyal, you want to be obedient. But on the can no say because it's again well low. Over do lads and we are oh ya le go on na. They no get the name na jena. Nina we are go na. Frank, ala le sagien, ala le period, ala loué. I am a married woman. I get man I can marry, no problem. But now I am a married woman. One issue of Europe must stop ire. Iguwa makame. It no concern me. Ohun wa kena go no concern me. But iguwa gwa logi mewo. Ina boya we video me mu video me na ga pepe wa. Na ga do wa igbe. O magu we ya. Era ebo. O magu we ya. Una we this Esther ma ye gwan. Una ri ogo me yo. Una ka son teme na gbe. Una agbo teme, wo gbo teme ne. Uti azen, uti oso, uti emi ya fe de mi no mi. Uti azen, uti oso, uti ma azen, uti mo so, uti mo ju, uti ma shawo, uti de mi no mi. It doesn't mean anything. I should be proud of myself. In all the name uti me and I should be happy about it. Because on my easy I can succeed, we can waje. I can succeed, we can waje. On my easy. Where ugume promote show. Wani gume promote show. Ina doji wasi mwa ina monwa. Ina monwa. Igi monwa ne. After you wani ye monwa ne. You turn back again. Una swa sagame. Ina agewe. Imagu egwa. Ina agewe. Abe mi ma be yana. After you was in one wasi, you turned back again and started in something. Bina agewe. Who is the no na akwa we finu na you sabi. You no concern me. And so we take day. Issue no soon with 2019. Issue no soon with 2019. Nimani boom. They stood by me. They stood by me. Many people, some presenters, some normal people. Emani bunima we presenter there. Iya na rude matani ya na so arwe for mudag biyan. Iya na so arwe for mudag biyan. Eya na solo. Wa se lady osan give my o. Wa egbe wa o. Wala o. Wa egbe wa o. Eya na ga solo. No saga Monica na saga Monica na ga gbe. Iya na ga gbe. A period ni upesi o ngedegbe no le ni gwiwa no lori ari ba gbon me no ho ana odo ho the webo nothing to write up about very useless woman oma tie bonema she is always carrying negative news if not emira ige lesbo no gbe o ba gbon no kun kokun ba you he Wema deba regeni. Wema deba. Ege de Monica na saga imara wa me. Wo ya tage two face tagave Davido ya tage Emmanuel we wo da fi me le ko. Wo ya ga taginya regeni. Video ni me wo we kitchen na we I'm eating chicken in the kitchen. Wo ya mo na uhun we ye love video ni wuga agwan je we mi ane. We where you know the one not there by Monica Saga we get uga gwale the news you be Monica the man no mu na no oni matama we e ba ni owulele la egbe o matama no mu na re u ko se ni e filo kwa no ga akara yo to we ga ro ya wo we was it not like that ni e filo kwa no ga akara kwa we the saga wa be ro u be ya wo we ga je pashi una ya ro bi mama wa me be gani Ugu do ne koma vun una so amo wose we cause koma vun. E ba kere. Me e Johnny. E oni me eje now. Then that period ne Monica gele ya sagai mama o women. Many people that is our friend, even family friend, colleagues, friends, they were still Monica friends. They were friends to Monica. I and my husband never one day do lad and doka we ruda we e Monica sagai ma when I ask you we not see me ni mado we my girls your money. We were moving with everybody. A musicians in Ibuwe do my girl sima. Ya my girl sima. Ni buna tima o yon babi eke. Wa le ni yon ba yakin. Eke ni mere to tayo na we do ma go ma be yan musician na game no tayo we gbe. But today, imaya oni rock baginya rock ba. Egba mo wa fo. I want for imaya oni ginya today they are my friend, my best friend. Even when I walk any back, but we can now go and we that person is my best friend. When I say best friend, I but another love woman. I dropping when my guy na. Hey guy, he love it. If you know what what do you mean it here? If you know soon no good say. He said he go now. Again, a musician, for example, go no la. Egere Monica na sagai mava wane. Go no la. JGPC yasi hwa. Abitoge. Go no la. Ye GPC yasi hwa. Egere Monica na sagai mava wane. I'm sorry. I don't want to speak English. Ego no la ye GPC si nwa. O me be awa me ma moye webo. No ya we show. Okay, awa me do ta we ru that way e Monica sagai ma. Ego no la now you must not be Monica friend. Then the way babe. I mean